Traceability means that you can always answer the 5 traceability W's. What is related to what and how? What changed? When did it change? Who changed it? And why did it change? In Polarion ALM, you can always see what is linked, with what kind of relationship. You can easily trace up, from a test case to a requirement, for example, or trace down, say from a test case to a defect, and from there to a source code revision that fixed it, to give just one possible scenario. The secret to success lies in 3 main activities: defining the possible relationships between artifact types, linking individual work items with relevant relationships day by day as people create and process them, and developers linking source code commits to the work items they address. Project managers can easily define artifact relationships, called link roles, using any meaningful semantics. Out-of-box project templates predefine a set of link roles that may be entirely suitable and which can be easily customized if need be, saving significant time. Project leaders can also define rules that will prevent team members from linking items inappropriately, thereby degrading traceability. Traceability goes hand in hand with visibility and compliance. For example, your risk analysts can define risk-type work items. Your requirements engineers can create requirement items that mitigate those risks, linking with a mitigates link role. Your QA engineers can create test cases that verify requirements, linking them with a verifies link role. Test cases that fail during testing can generate defect or issue type items that are linked to the test case. A developer can link a source code revision that fixes the defect. Consequently, any stakeholder granted view permissions can quickly trace from a defect to the test case, to the requirement, to the risk, all via completely visible and transparent links in the web-based interface. Polarion ALM is designed to painlessly support traceability even to forensic levels. The automated history logs every change to every artifact in the system, whether it's a granular object like a requirement or a change request, an entire specification document, a report page, a workflow process, or a configuration change. It's even possible to explicitly define traceable resources, such as a specific function in a source code file. At every release, you can capture a baseline of your project. Later, for an audit for example, you can quickly travel back in time and trace changes in exactly the same way as you did during the release cycle. And you can easily build comprehensive reports on any baseline using handy visual widgets to prove things like testing coverage and results, and virtually any other information an auditor might require. There's so much more to traceability and compliance with Polarion ALM than can be covered in a short video. Why not request a live demo today? A Polarion ALM expert will give you a one-on-one guided tour of the pioneering application lifecycle management software that is currently used by more than 10,000 firms worldwide to create better, complex software faster.